Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We're here for kind of a 2-week haul. Kind of because we're going on a trip in the middle of that 2-week period, but we're going to buy groceries for the beginning and for the ending. So stick around and see what we get.
Let's get to it.
Okay, and we are grabbing 1 pack of white bread here. That price has gone up because it was like 87 cents, I think. But it's 99 cents, but it's still cheaper than Walmart, who's carrying theirs at $1. Okay, so I needed something to eat with some tuna that I have that's getting close to going bad, so I grabbed these pita chips, and they are $2.29. Okay, and our son needed some hazelnut spread. We haven't tried this generic version here at Aldi, so we'll let you know what he thinks. It's $2.39. $2.59 for a jar of pesto, 38 cents for a can of tomato sauce. Oh, while we were in Aldi, we forgot to record this, but we bought some grapes because they were 99 cents per pound. Yep. So pretty good price, and Joel loves green grapes. Okay, and we are grabbing Pepsis again this week because it's still $8.48. And Walmart's, the Coca-Colas have gone up and across the board, so we're still going for the Pepsis right now. And as usual, bag of Cheetos, $4.98. Looks like the price is correct. And we got $1.96 for 2 things of Pringles. Unfortunately, when we were at Aldi, they only had the original, and our son kind of hates the original flavor. He likes sour cream and onion and pizza flavor, and they don't have any sour cream and onion today. So we're going with 2 pizzas. We're not buying bread here because we got it at Aldi's, obviously, but look at that, still says 93 cents. So that means 7 weeks in a row they still haven't updated their labels. This is probably $1.78 for each one of the boxes of cookies and cream Pop-Tarts.
The thing about it is, they've moved them down.
They moved them down and still didn't correct the price.
They didn't correct the price because it's attached to this thing. They just slid the
Just slid the plastic.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, anyway, the point is it's been wrong for 7 weeks now, but if you ask them at the register, they will probably correct it and put it back at $1.50 for you. But personally, I don't think you should have to do that on every single product that they haven't updated for 7 weeks straight. But that's your little tip is if they were wrong, just go ahead and tell them at the register and maybe they'll correct it. And we got this to make some baked chicken. If you've never seen that recipe, it is one of a few of like an original recipe of ours, and so we got this and it's $7.98, which is how much you're saying? $2.78 per pound. We are grabbing a container of queso blanco cheese. Snikey's that price. We only need about half of that, so our son will probably use it to make some chips and dip while we're going on our trip or something, so I'm sure he won't mind. $7.98 for pepperoni, and I think that was $3.94. He's got to check and make sure. Yep. $3.94 for some andouille sausage. We needed about 3 pounds of red potatoes, so we're getting this. It's $5.74 for the bag. We're grabbing this. We don't normally go from convenience, but we have a lot going on this week before our trip, so we decided to save ourselves 2 minutes apparently. This is $1.77 for the bag. We've never seen them have the broccoli in plastic. Usually they're loose, but it's $2.97 for the pack.
We got the peanut Cheerios. We got to get some milk too, so $1.92.
Guys, I think we forgot to record this when we were in the grocery store. I think Joel may have mentioned it when he got the milk, that he got milk because we were buying Cheerios. But you will see in the next video that we share why we bought Cheerios, because normally we don't buy cereal at all. And we stick to the other types of breakfast foods, but we went ahead and got this, and it was, I'll put the price right here on the screen. I don't remember exactly. It was $4 and something for this box. But anyway, we just forgot to record it because we were also recording for a separate video Uh, that's one of the things with recording videos like we do with the price comparison videos is sometimes we are recording those while we're also buying groceries. So sometimes I've got 2 videos going at once. So I just forgot to record this part.
All right, so we just finished up at Walmart.
That's right.
Yep, and so this is our Aldi total right here.
Uh-huh.
And this is gonna be our Walmart total right here. And this is gonna be our total. And then somewhere in here we're gonna have the total that we have for the rest of the month.
That's right.
And it's based on $600 budget for 3 adults.
That's right. And as like we noted at the beginning of the video, this was kind of a 2-week haul, but not exactly, because the first week we're gonna leave toward the end of that week and be gone for like 4 or 5 days. So we didn't buy food for that 4 or 5 days. Even though our son is staying home, he said he wanted to go out and do his own shopping. So we were like, sure,
right.
Money bags.
More power to you.
More power to you. It saves me from having to shop for you. Okay. So anyway, that's why it's kind of a 2-week haul. Now let's talk about the meal plan. So we're starting off with a chicken pesto sheet pan.
And normally we have leftovers from that, so we'll do those tomorrow night.
And then we're gonna move on to the Cajun sausage, potatoes, and green beans recipe, which you may go, I didn't see you buy any green beans. That's right, we just don't find those particularly easy to keep fresh. So Joel actually works right next to Aldi, and he will just run into Aldi's and get the green beans on the day that we're gonna make that.
Yeah, it's literally, Aldi's right there, and my restaurant's right there, literally right there.
Right.
I can walk over there.
Yeah.
So then we'll have leftovers from that, which will take us into the Friday that we leave on our trip, and we won't be back until the next Tuesday.
That's right. All right, so when we get back, we have chicken and rice.
And then we're going to do a taco rice with queso.
And I think we're going to have leftovers from that. I believe we normally have leftovers from that taco rice dish.
Okay. And then we're going to have a homemade pizza.
Yep. And then Sunday is my birthday.
Yep.
So we're going to have baked chicken, I guess.
Yep.
So, and we usually make like mashed potatoes and have some yeast rolls. So it's a little fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. For a birthday dish.
You should make yourself a cherry cheesecake for your birthday.
That sounds like your birthday wish. Highly hinting, huh? Anyway, so that actually brings us through the 2-week haul, and we actually skipped over a meal, and I guess we will eat it when we get past that 2-week haul, and that was the crock pot lasagna that we've put off for like 2 or 3 weeks. There's no fresh ingredients with that, so we just keep putting it back.
Yeah.
So we'll get it eventually.
Yeah,
so,
we will.
Yeah. So anyway, that takes care of us for 2 weeks. The next week on a Monday, normally we have a grocery haul every week, but we will be traveling when we would have been buying groceries, so we're not going to do a grocery haul video, but we have a special video that's going to come in its place, so be sure to watch next Monday for that video.
Yep. You can cut that out. You can cut that out.
I don't think that's going to happen.
Okay.
Okay, it's hot.
So about the recipe, we need the recipe alert then?
No, we did not.
Okay. All right, so drop us a comment below and let us know what you want to vote on for the recipe of the week from this menu plan. Now, if you saw a recipe alert thing.
Oh, let us know. I don't believe we had anything new on that list that you haven't already seen a video of.
Okay.
But if you want to see any of those, we will take those into consideration as maybe something that we could redo.
Yeah.
We live in a different house than we did when we recorded some of those, and so we have more natural light in this house. So if you'd like to see a newer, updated recording of it,
sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let us know.
Let us know. Just drop us a comment below and let us know that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know when we're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.